In this video, I'm going to show you 5 different article rewriters, or I would say AI content tools that are actually available for free or even a premium ones that are available right now that can meet your content marketing needs. So hey guys, my name is Raman and welcome to Webby Digital channel. And there are a number of free article rewriters tools are available, but are those actually up to the mark or up to the quality you actually want? There are many people are skeptical about using these tools because of outcome of all those free article rewriters are actually very low quality, but you can use it as a backup content or if you want to rewrite some paragraph or something like that. Okay, and the second is it sounds robotic. Yes, it sounds very robotic. You don't have control over the tone of the content and you don't have the control over the punctuations, grammar, etc. over it. So you have to use different other tools like Grammarly to integrate and correct that specific content for you. And the third reason is your content can be plagiarized. Yes, your content can be duplicated in search engine or tagged as a duplicated in the search engine. It's think of the past that you can actually use article rewriter or changing a sentence or rewriting some piece of content that is already there in the Google, and Google actually detect that. Yes, Google actually detect that, and you can get penalized or your content can get penalized for it. So you should ditch this article rewriter as of now, but if you really need it, so I will suggest you to use our Kwebby Article Pro. Yes, we regularly update this particular tool and you can use it to create your own piece of content. Like if you just want to create a content or there is actually content available in the online and you want to recreate that or you don't know how to create that, then you can use Article Rewriter Pro. So how to use that? It's actually very simple. So you just go to the link in the description box, Kwebby Article Rewriter, and here you will find the tool here, and it supports 7 different languages. Yes, it does support English, Dutch, French, Spanish, German, Turkish, and Indonesian. So if you belong to other languages like this, then you can just choose that and paste using control V, which is the very basic, and you will get your answer. So here let me get this particular piece of content and let me paste that. Okay, let me paste that here. As you can see, the article Rytr is a perfect tool, and these are just the paragraph which I am going to use as an example. So the language is English, yes, and click on submit and wait 2 or 3 minutes and you will get your output. And you can also download that in HTML format also, as well as in the text format. And if we download in the text format, let's see what is the outcome we have got. And if you open that, Article Rewriter Pro by Kwebby, and the original content was this and the rewritten content is this. As you can differentiate between the two. So first let's go one line by line. Okay, Article Rewriter Pro is the perfect tool for anyone who needs rewriting articles in a different language. Okay, and that was the original text. And if we go to the rewritten, it says the Article Rewriter Pro is the ideal device for each person who desires to rewrite articles in a different language. So it's not that perfect, let me tell you. So all those rewriters out there may be a best version out there, but I don't personally recommend using Rewriter Pro until and unless you are just pasting content to fill that particular space, then it's fine. So this will be the outcome for the Rewriter Pro. So this is the free version, so you don't get to debate on this because it is actually the free. So you can use it like if you want to fill the content, or if you want to just fill the content for the backlink purposes or in the social media or something like that, you can just generate content using this particular tool. So that's the free version, and I seriously don't recommend you to use any article rewriter out there. But if you really want to do that, you can use Jasper AI. Yes, that will be the part of the third, but let me tell you the another free version which you can use for rewriting purposes, that is ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT is another tool out there which is actually free right now, and you can use to the utmost of its capabilities. So let me just copy this particular piece of line and going to the ChatGPT here. Okay, and it's available for free, so you can just sign up with your email and just go with it. And maybe you may get a wait list the time you're watching right now, or maybe it get the paid version. So right now it's in the testing phase and it gets regularly updated. As you can see, the ChatGPT December 15 version. So let me just write a command like here, please rewrite this, and I will put that in the comma such that it will differentiate between the command which I am typing right now and let's enter that. Let's see what it gives. So article rewriter is a useful tool for anyone who needs to rewrite articles in a different language. So here is the first sentence, which was the perfect tool for anyone who needs to write articles in a different language. It's a useful to anyone who needs to write different language. Okay, so the first line is not that different, just this useful tool has been added with the perfect tool. So that's it. And if we go to the next line, it's quick. It offers a fast and easy process with numerous features. And if you see the next lines, you will feel the difference between the first which we have written and the second one which we have got. So that's another way you can actually create a rewritten content by Jasper, which is the AI powered by the OpenAI. So this is absolutely free right now. I don't know why I have to tag it as free. It may get paid in upcoming time, but whenever you have this free, just get used to it and you will be amazed by its capabilities, and which we have already done in the previous videos. So this is the second one, which is obviously available for free. And moving forward, the third, which is going to be the premium part, and the third is the Jasper. Jasper should be your number one content creation tool, and there is a number of reasons which I can describe on and on and on, and it gets updated from time to time. So when Jasper has been launched, and in the next day they also launch their Jasper chat. So yes, they use the ChatGPT technologies and they use the API and created different templates. Okay, and if you go to the templates, and you will find tens of templates that's already there, which can be categorized on the basis of these categories. And if you want a template for the ads, you have the ads. If you want it for the blog, you can create a blog content using blog post, conclusion, paragraph, and there you go. And if you want to create a boss mode is for the higher subscriber. I will tell you how to use that. And third will be the e-commerce. If you want to create a product description, there it is. And here is the email, frameworks, Google, and even if you want to create a social media post, and there you go. And they also included the chat, so you can ask anything about it, like you have asked for the article Rytr Pro. So that will be the add-on for you. And the one thing which is the boss mode, which is absolutely flawless. And if I open to the document which I already created, most of the time I create a content with the Jasper and it works really good. But obviously you don't have to rely on this particular software for your entire content. You have to write by yourself. The manual action should be there. It should be as a tool, as a helper, not as your only tool to create a content. So let me just paste that here, the article Rytr Pro, which is our original text. And after you click this, what you can do is rephrase it. So with the help of rephrase, it will rewrite this piece of content. If you click on rephrase it, and it will start rewriting it. As you can see, the article pro is ideal for anyone seeking to rewrite articles in different languages. So it's entirely a different outcome it was there, right? And not only rewriting, you can use it for anything. Like you just give it a command. So boss mode, which was I was talking about. So in the boss mode, you can actually do anything about it. Like tell them, give a command like a boss, do it, right? Give a command to it and it will start writing it. How? Just tell them to write or let me just write a content which I'm already writing right now. Like here, this is the heading. So I will say with this sign, write a paragraph about. Now here you can type anything and will start writing the paragraph about it. But here I want to tell Jasper to write a paragraph about above heading which I've already wrote. And you just select that and click Ctrl plus Enter, and it will start writing it. As you can see, it says start writing for the above heading. And let it complete it. Yes, let me change the format to the paragraph. So yeah, so as you can see, the heading was generate YouTube video ideas and is a power designed to help people. Typli can generate your video ideas for the YouTube, and so it has literally created a content like here. And if you want to see if it is plagiarized or not, if it is actually scraped from the search engine and pasted down there, but no, absolutely not. You can copy and paste in our SEO tools. And here's the plagiarism checker pro. We use Google search API to conclude the plagiarism checking. Okay, it can read any text up to the 1,000 words. As you can see, the limit is here. You can see click on check plagiarism and it will start checking it. As you can see, it is 100% unique, so it's not copied and it's haven't rewrite anything that is already copied here. So that's the how unique Jasper is. And I can go along and I will create another course on Jasper, which I can tell you how to use Jasper for the content marketing in different phases. So I'm just planning it right now, but you will get in this channel, so do subscribe that. So that's how the best tool there is, the Jasper. And moving forward to the next, and Jasper, okay, let me tell you the plans and prices of Jasper. So plans are, first 10,000 words are for free, so you can try it free. So check it out if it works for you. Just go to the link in the description and you will get the 10,000 words for free. And there is a starter, there's a boss mode and business. I suggest you to use boss mode if you are trying this out, or if you're going to get Jasper for the long time and get the full potential of it. You should sign up for the boss mode, because this, what I'm giving a command and getting a content, you will get only in the boss mode. Otherwise you will get all the templates. So here is the template. So this will you will get for this, the starter. So you will only get this as a template, and you will obviously get the chat, the boss mode, which we already created using the documents. So that's how the powerful it is, and it does get updated from time to time. So enough of Jasper, let's move on to the another tool, which is the fourth one, Rytr. Yeah, Rytr.me is also the one of the cheapest AI tool available. It also based on the ChatGPT, so you can actually create unique content just by clicking it. Here, Rytr, let me tell you the pricing. It is $29 per month for the unlimited amount of content. So if we go to the Rytr here and just sign up it, and as you can see there, I have created so many already, and you can create a new one by going to the folder, or create a new document by clicking here, just typing it out. Just type anything like dog mental health tips. So this will be our blog. So let's see if we can actually use it for our content generation. So on the left side you will find the languages. There are actually the more languages than Jasper. So Jasper has around 20 languages, but it has more diverse languages, like it has Hindi, and it has French, and more Korean, and the Farsi, the Thai, the Turkish, and Vietnamese. So the languages are more here in the Rytr than the Jasper. So if you use any of it, you will find it very good for your bucks. Like $29 is nothing for such a rewriter. So what you can do is, to write anything, you can just select the use case, and the first is the blog idea and outline. So the primary keyword is dog mental health, and the variants, how many variants you want, and you can select out of 3 to 1, select any which suits the perfect. So I suggest you to use as many as possible, because obviously it's not 99% perfect, just like the Jasper. It usually gives satisfactory outcome. So click on Rewriter and it start writing here. So you will get the outcome like this. Just select anything you want and just start deleting it. Like 5 tips you get this. So 3 ways you do this, and just search for it, which variant you want to select. Just delete the rest out of it and start creating a content around it. So in the next part, after you create the blog idea and outline, and you should start adding with the blog section writing. So this is the subheading, which is the 3 ways dogs help you heal your mental health. Just paste that and the section keyword here and click on rewrite for me. So I won't add any section keyword, but you can stuff that with your desired keyword and it will start adding it. And you will find these 3 variants, or it is only the 1 variant, sorry. So you can copy that, and if you click on the more variants, it will start writing more variants. So I think this is actually the best package for the rewriting part, and you can also rewrite any text to it. And whenever you paste something like this, like you have different command at your disposal. Like here, if you want to command like some different command or custom command, you can do that. Improve, if you can also improve. And here is the rephrase which you are looking for. Just copy and paste that and click on rephrase and it will start creating it. So what was our example? Our example was this. I'm going to paste that here, like here, and I want to rephrase that. Just click on the rephrase and it start rephrasing it. So that's how you can use Rytr.me for your daily AI content creation life. And now moving forward to the last, which is the Typli. Yes, Typli is also cost the same as the Rytr, and here you have, but it also have the bonus. You will get the chatbot just like the Jasper chat, and you also get the integration of WP plugin, Mozilla's extension, and Chrome extension, just like Jasper. And with Jasper, you can also get this particular extension which you can use anywhere. And for the post part, like I want to create and add new post, and if I want to create any content around it, I can use Jasper icon here. Just use that. Write blog intro paragraph for dog mental health tips, and if we just enter that, it will start creating content for you. So you don't need to go to the Jasper and start creating content. It will create the different version, the 3 version, and you can select any of it. So like here, and copy that and paste that here. So that's how easy it is for the Jasper, and the same goes to the Typli. But Typli also have a limitation as compared to the Jasper, but I also like that software which you want to select, and then for that you can go to the my projects. And one thing is, if we create a new project title like dog mental health tips here, and if we see, here is a SEO plugin which is available for free, and here you can stuff the keyword like dog mental health here, and it will start analyzing your content. As you can see, it will say high density keyword density, and add an this heading, 2 3 heading, which you use actually for the rank math plugin. You all can also use this particular tool for that. So here it is for the type your keyword here, just to analyze your keywords. If I search for it, the keyword is too long. Let me do, yeah, dog mental health. So it will start analyzing this keyword. As you can see, the volume is here and the CPC is this, the competition is low. So we are in the good corner right now. So keyword suggestion, if you want more keyword suggestion, so for the keyword you have wrote, so let me just search for it. So there you will get the keyword suggestions which you can input in your blog content. Not only that, you can generate settings, and you can enter like you want to create a AI content around 1000 words. Click on save, and after that click on generate AI, and it will start creating it. And there is also an option of copyscape, and you can also spin text, which we were already using it. So the spin text will also be of higher quality as it is from the open AI, and export as doc, export as PDF. So you can just use that also. So it also has a WP plugin you can download, like going to the integration WP plugin, you can also write straight from the Gutenberg post editor. So that's about it. That's the 5 best AI content creator tool, or you can say article rewriter, which is available right now online. And there are actually more out there, tens of 20s out there. I would say in hundreds. There is a copy.ai, there is a peppercontent.ai, there's many, but I have tried it all, but I personally like the Jasper. So the final thought of this video will be, you should start using ChatGPT as an free. As long as it's available free, just start using it. You will be surprised with the outcome. Like here, I'm using it from a while. I've already created a content around it and many tutorials around it. You can watch it in my channel. And once it's free, then you don't need to buy any of a Jasper or Rytr or Typli. You just go ahead with the OpenAI and start using and exploit it to the maximum. And after it get paid or something closed down for the public, then you can use Jasper. So Jasper is actually the best out there. So I've already told about the different templates out there, the boss mode, the chat out there. You can also create the art. You can create the image art just going by here. Like you just have to type the command and you will get the art there. There's also the recipes which has different structure of content like Facebook ad, the Idea Factory blog post. And if you click on any of it, like for the cold email, so it will tell you the recipe. So recipe is product name. You have to type your product name and start writing the cold emails for you. So that's how Jasper it is, and it's the best out there. So sign up for the Jasper for the premium, and for the free part, I suggest you to use either Article Writer Pro by us, which is I think not that capable like ChatGPT. So you should start using ChatGPT for free. So if you have liked this video and if you learned something from this video, click the like button. So if you want to subscribe to the channel, just click on the red button and press that bell icon. And if you want to share this to your friend or colleague, then do click on the share button. And if you have suggestion in mind, you have a comment box with you. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.